Ryan Stileson here with Business Trends TV, and today I have Gloria Ospina with me. She is with Gables Perfect Smile, and as you know, on Business Trends TV, we evaluate and bring to you businesses that are setting trends in their respective industry. And again, I have Gloria Ospina with us today. Almost everyone wants white teeth. What would be the determining factor to see if a patient is a candidate for teeth whitening? What do you think is the determining factor on that?
Okay, for whitening, the best way for patients is just to come for a consultation, so I can look at the quality of the enamel, so I can look at the color of the teeth, if the habits are all the things, the health, and then I can determine like what type of whitening. There's some patients that the chemical over the teeth are not enough for them, so I have to give them other options because the chemicals, they might not be getting the results what they want. For instance, this patient came to me on
okay, just hold that up higher. There you go.
She came with several issues. She wanted to get teeth straight, white. She was showing too much gum. So I was able to correct everything with just the chemicals, like the Zoom whitening, and the 1 hour treatment in the office. So after the Invisalign treatment and the gummy smile treatment, I was able to give her white teeth, and the smile came out just beautiful.
Wow. So you did two things for her. You did the gummy smile treatment, you did the teeth whitening, and then what else did you do? Invisalign. So you straightened her teeth, you whitened them, and you did the gummy treatment.
Exactly.
And specifically, what is the gummy treatment? Does that lower the lip, or what exactly?
In her case, I did gum recontouring. I raised the gum line so the teeth would be longer. The laser technology, I do it in one visit, and there's no bleeding, no bleeding, and no one visit about an hour. Sometimes I do it with no anesthesia, and it just no bleeding when there's very little. For comfort of the patient, and they're usually a little apprehensive, I try to get them numb, but sometimes I can do that with no anesthesia. And also with teeth whitening, before we finish about teeth whitening, there's some patients that they have these tetracycline stains that no matter how much chemical we put in the mouth, we're not going to get results. So I'm going to show this case. This is a patient with tetracycline stains, and I was able to give her the color that she wanted, even though she didn't finish her treatment at this moment. But I was able to give her the beautiful smile without the chemical Zoom whitening, just doing porcelain restoration. And I use my water lace in this type of restorations to just clean the gum line and obtain a better copy of the digital impression machine, the Aitero, so I can provide the best information to the lab, so the lab gives me nice margins, nice finishing, and the results are amazing. Yes, if patients wants to understand better, they can just go to my website, and I have videos, and I have a lot of information so they can learn. So that's gonna be very good before they come and see me.
Yeah, I think it is great. Let me, one of the things that we can do is, obviously in these hangouts, is I can show my screen. So anyway, next time we'll show that, and maybe we can even watch some videos together or show some examples of some treatments that you're doing. But I think we had a great meeting today. I think we really got a lot accomplished, and I'm really excited that you were able to give us this information. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to we're going to get this information out there and post it online. You've got one thing I did notice, Dr. Gloria, is that you've got a great reputation online. You've got you've got a lot of great reviews. I definitely recommend anybody that is looking for a great dentist, type in dentist Miami. I think Dentist Miami will pull you up, and you're right there on the maps result, and you can see that, dentist Coral Gables, or even cosmetic dentist Coral Gables, and you'll see that she's got her reviews right there. She's got a Zagat score of almost a perfect Zagat score, so she's got a lot of great reviews from her past customers. And I guess, is there any other parting words that you want to add?
No, it was very nice talking to you, and I hope I can see everybody who's interested in this technology so I can meet them.
Yes, absolutely. And how would somebody get a hold of you? I mean, we've got this number here, so I guess the best way to get a hold of you is for them to call this
786-382-0007.
Okay, so yeah, if anybody wants to get a hold of Dr. Gloria and her staff, just call the number on the screen there at 786-382-0007. And thanks for joining us today, Dr. Gloria. And we'll do this again, maybe in another month or two, and maybe do one of these live examples of a patient getting a treatment. I mean, how fun would that be? That'd be pretty neat, I think, wouldn't it?
Yes.
All right. Awesome, ladies. Thank you for everything, and we'll talk again soon. And how would somebody get a hold of you? I mean, we've got this number here, so I guess the best way to get a hold of you is for them to call this
786-382-0007.
Okay, so yeah, if anybody wants to get a hold of Dr. Gloria and her staff, just call the number on the screen there at 786-382-0007. And thanks for joining us today, Dr. Gloria. And we'll do this again, maybe in another month or two, and maybe do one of these live examples of a patient getting a treatment. I mean, how fun would that be? That'd be pretty neat, I think, wouldn't it?
Yes.
All right. Thank you for everything,